Welcome to Best Choice. The best grease filter is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your cooking space clean and your range hood functioning efficiently. These filters capture grease, smoke, and odors, preventing them from circulating throughout your home. Without a good grease filter, your kitchen can quickly become a greasy, smelly mess, and your range hood's performance will suffer. Number 5. Air Filter Factory Replacement for Broan-NuTone 41F. Introducing the Air Filter Factory Replacement Filter, specifically designed for models 41F, 97007696, and 97005687. This ensures a perfect fit and superior performance for your range hood. You'll receive one filter with your order. This filter is 7/16" thick. To ensure it fits your range hood, we recommend measuring your current filter with a measuring tape before ordering. This will guarantee a perfect fit. Proudly made in the USA with high-quality domestic materials, this filter is built to last. Its durable construction allows for extended use while maintaining optimal air quality in your home. It's designed and manufactured in the USA for quality assurance. This filter features a grease mesh and charcoal carbon combination. This design effectively traps grease, smoke, odors, and other particles, keeping your kitchen air clean and fresh. It's a comprehensive solution for a healthier kitchen environment. Installation and replacement are simple and tool-free. This filter offers a hassle-free solution for maintaining a healthy kitchen environment. For best results, we recommend replacing it every 6 to 9 months. Precisely measured at 8 to 3/4 inch x 10 to 12 x 7/16, this filter provides maximum coverage and filtration efficiency. It delivers reliable protection against unwanted cooking residue, ensuring your kitchen stays clean. Before ordering, check the model tag inside your hood. The model tag will show the correct grease filter and charcoal carbon filter part numbers. Match the part number to the listing title to ensure you get the right filter. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This filter combines a grease mesh and charcoal carbon, ensuring your kitchen air is clean and fresh. It's proudly made in the USA with high-quality materials, guaranteeing durability. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to remove grease, smoke, and odors, this is the one for you. What people say. The grease filter fit perfectly. It was easy to install. The product is exactly as described. Number 4. Broan-NuTone BP29 Aluminum Range Hood Filter. This replacement filter is designed specifically for your Broan-NuTone range hood. It helps keep your kitchen air clean and fresh by effectively trapping grease and other particles. This filter is compatible with a wide range of Broan-NuTone range hoods. You can easily find the right fit for your existing model, ensuring optimal performance and air quality. This high-quality kitchen air filter provides efficient grease removal. It helps to maintain a clean and safe cooking environment, protecting your kitchen from unwanted buildup. Cleaning this stove hood filter is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, allowing for easy and regular maintenance. This ensures the filter continues to perform at its best. The filter measures 8.75 inches by 10.5 inches. It fits hood series 11,000, 40,000, F40,000, 42,000, 46,000, 52,000, and 53,000. It is made of durable aluminum. What we like. Designed specifically for Broan-NuTone range hoods, this filter ensures a perfect fit and efficient grease removal. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. If you have a Broan-NuTone hood and value convenience, this filter is the ideal choice. What people say. Much thicker than the original filter that came with range hood, but it still works. The retainer clip that holds it in seems to be designed to fit either the thin filter that came with the range hood or this thicker version, simply by rotating the clip 180 degrees. This thicker version is the same except a much more sturdy frame. Works well, fits well. Perfect replacement item. Fit perfect, slightly thinner. Works fine. Quick delivery. Number 3. AMI Parts BPS1 FA30 Aluminum Filter, 2 PCS. This package includes 2 packs of BPS1 FA30 aluminum filters. They are designed to work with your range hood, ensuring your kitchen air stays clean and fresh. This filter is a direct replacement for several models, including BPS-1FA30 and others. It's designed to fit seamlessly, offering you a hassle-free replacement option. The filter is compatible with various models, such as Broan-NuTone Allure and 5260-30 series range hoods. It's made to fit perfectly, ensuring optimal performance. To find the right filter, check inside your range hood for a metal label. It should indicate the grease filter part number. This will help you find the correct replacement. This aluminum mesh filter contains an aluminum foil pad. It's designed to remove grease from the air in both duct and ductless range hoods and microwave ovens. The filter measures 11 to 3/4 x 14 to 1/4 by 3/8 inches. Make sure this size matches your range hood's requirements for a perfect fit. The vent hood filter is easy to install, requiring no tools. Simply replace the old filter with this new one for improved air quality. What we like. This filter features an aluminum mesh design, effectively removing grease from the air. It's easy to install without tools and can be washed for repeated use. If you want a durable and easy-to-maintain filter, this is a great option. What people say. Worked great. Exact fit, no worries, went right into position. Took 3 minutes to install both. Seems to be holding up well on a very busy community kitchen, great price, great fit, and will def buy again. Perfect fit for my Kenmore range hood, model number 233.526190007. Exact fit for my stove exhaust vent. Number 2. Beaquicy BPS-1FA30 range hood filter, 2-pack. Introducing the Beaquicy BPS-1FA30 range hood filter. This is a replacement for Broan-NuTone range hoods. It helps to keep your kitchen air clean. The BPS-1FA30 filter uses aluminum mesh to effectively remove grease. This improves your indoor air quality. It is suitable for both duct and ductless cooker hoods. This filter is designed for easy removal and installation with a convenient handle. Cleaning is simple, just use hot water and a degreasing solvent. Regular cleaning will keep it working great. The package includes 2 BPS-1FA30 filters, each measuring 11 to 3/4 x 14 to 1/4 x 3/8. The silver filter is washable, preventing grease buildup and maintaining airflow. The BPS-1FA30 filter replaces several Broan and Sears models. If you're unsure, contact us for assistance. It's designed to fit many range hoods. Enjoy risk-free shopping with our 90-day after-sales service. If you have any quality issues, contact customer service. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. Made from high-quality aluminum, this filter effectively removes grease and improves air quality. It's easily washable and installs in minutes. If you value a quick and easy upgrade to your range hood, this filter is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect fit, looks great, easy to install. Perfect replacements for the originals on my Kenmore overhead fan. The screens fit well into the updraft unit. I gave it a 4-star for the work great, but they were just a slight bit lighter weight than the original screen, but they're doing a fantastic job. Number 1. Broan-990103116 range hood filter, 2-pack. Introducing the perfect replacement filter for your Broan range hood. This filter ensures a perfect fit, keeping your kitchen air clean and fresh. It's designed for optimal performance. This filter is compatible with various Broan models. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers. It ensures your range hood functions at its best. Made from high-quality aluminum, this filter is built to last. It can be easily cleaned with hot water. This helps prevent grease buildup and maintains airflow. Installing this filter is quick and tool-free. It features a handle for easy removal and installation. Replacing it every 6 months ensures a clean and safe kitchen environment. This filter removes grease from the air, improving circulation. It keeps your range hood operating efficiently. Using it will extend the life of your range hood. If you have any questions, please contact us through Amazon support. We are here to provide you with better service. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This filter is made of high-quality and durable aluminum for long-lasting performance. It is easy to install and can be washed as needed. If you are looking for a filter that is easy to maintain and will last a long time, this is the one for you. What people say. The grease filter fit perfectly. It was easy to install. The product is exactly as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.